Very good evening. The update for today, the 3rd of September 2020, with regard to COVID-19 till 1 p.m. is as follows. The number of new cases today is 109. East Khas Hills 78. Out of this 78, 10 are armed forces, paramilitary forces, 68 from the others category. West Garo Hills 15, 8 are from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, and 7 from the others category. Ribhoi 13, West Jaintia Hills 1, South Garo Hills 2. The total number of active cases stands at 1,220. Out of this 1,220, 833 are from East Khas Hills, and out of this 81833, 173 are from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, 660 are from the others category. West Khas Hills 44, Ribhoi 84, out of this 84, 8 are from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, and 76 from the others category. West Jaintia Hills 3, East Jaintia Hills 23, West Garo Hills 121, and out of this 121, 75 are from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, and 46 from the others category. Southwest Garo Hills 3, South Garo Hills 21, and out of this 21, 11 are from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, and others category 10. East Garo Hills 83, North Garo Hills 5. The total number of recovered cases today is 75. Out of this 75, East Khas Hills 58, 38 are from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, and 20 from the others category. North Garo Hills 4, West Garo Hills 12, 11 from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, and 1 from the others category. West Khas Hills 1. The total number of recovered cases as of today stands at 1,393, and the total number of deaths is 13. 1,393. Total recovered today is 75. Out of this 75, East Khas Hills 58, 38 from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, 20 from the others category. North Garo Hills 4 from the others category. West Garo Hills 12, 11 from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, 1 from the others category, and West Khas Hills 1. The number of samples sent for testing till 2 p.m. today is 93,817. The total number of persons who tested negative is 90,516. The number of test results awaited is approximately 675. And the number of entrants from outside of Meghalaya till 2 p.m. today is 33,009. Kini kita jing penbenar. Kibedai but COVID-19 mentakasi Laiterik Ubnai September Arhajar Arko Hadu Shibaji Minski Kikis Kibang Yot Tamai Mentakasi Kilong Shispa Kandai Nagani Shispa Kandai Hapo East Castles Kidan Hinyo Kufra pada gini Hinyo Kufra Shipo Gidei Napo Ki Armed Forces Paramilitary Forces Ndre Kufra Gidei na Kiwe West Garo Hills Khatsan Pra Gidei na Ki Armed Forces Paramilitary Forces But Hinyo Gidei na Kiwe Ribhoy Khatlai West Giant Hills Iwe South Garo Hills are Kikis Baro Kibalong active Kelumlang Kilong Shihajab Aspa Arfo Nakini Shihajab Aspa Arfo Hapo East Coast Hills Kidan Praspa Laifulai Pada gini Praspa Laifulai Shispa Anyo Fulai Gidei Naki Armed Forces Paramilitary Forces But Nruspa Andrufo Gidei Naki Way Apo West Coast Hills South Fusau Ribhoy Pra Fusau Pada gini Pra Fusau Pra Gidei Naki Armed Forces Paramilitary Forces But New Fundrio Gidei Naki Way West Giant Hills Lai East Giant Hills Arfulai West Garo Hills Shispa Arfuway pada gini Shispa Arfuway nagi Armed Forces Paramilitary Forces kidan Nyufusan pada nagi way South Fundreo Southwest Garo Hills Lai South Garo Hills Arfuway pada gini ki Arfuway Khatway gini nagi Armed Forces Paramilitary Forces pada Chipo nagi way East Garo Hills Prafulai North Garo Hills Sun Kibala recover Menta kasi gilong Nyufusan Pada kini Nyufusan Napo Hapo East Coast Hills Kidan Sun Fufra Life Fufra Kidan Niki Armed Forces Paramilitary Forces But Arfo Naki Way North Garo Hills South West Garo Hills Khatway Gidei Niki Armed Forces Paramilitary Forces But Iwe Gidei Niki Way West Khasi Hills Iwe Baro Kelumlang Kiba La recover Hadu Mentakasi Gilong Shihajar Laispa Kandai Fulai But Kiba Klat No Kilong Khatlai Example, kibang ifates mentakasi, hadu arbaji menski, kilong kandai fulai hajar, praspa kadnyo. Kibates negatif, kilong kandai fu hajar, sanspa kandreo. Kites report kibang inang up, hadu arbaji menski. Mentah kasi gilong kumba nriuspa nyufusan pat kibriu kibarong sipo kejela kejungi hadu arbaje mentah kasi mentah kasi gilong life ulai haja kendai. The breakup of the 109 cases new cases are as follows. East Coast Hills 78. Out of this 78, 63 are high-risk cases. 10 are from the armed forces, paramilitary forces. 2 are ILI case, 1 is a SARI case, and 2 are health workers. Ribhoy, 13, 6 are returnees, 6 high-risk cases, and 1 is an ILI case. West Garo Hills 15, 6 are high-risk cases, 8 from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, and 1 is a returnee. West Jaintia Hills 1, who is a truck driver. South Garo Hills 2, both of them are drivers. The case ki batamai menta kasi gilaw si spak handai, but nakini si spak handai po is ka sales ki dan hinyo pufra. Nakini hinyo pufra. Nrefula gide ki high risk case. Shipho gide ni ki armed forces, paramilitary forces. R gide ki ILI case. Iway de sari case. R gide ki health workers. Ribhoy Khatlai, Hindreu gidi returnees, Hindreu gi high risk, but iway de ILI case. West Garo Hills Khatsan, Hindreu gidi high risk, Prague de niki armed forces, paramilitary forces, iway de returnee. West Jaintia Hills, iway bede truck driver. South Garo Hills are but kini bro armut kita ki drivers. Harus selesai.